Connecting a custom domain to your online store? It only takes a few minutes. Let me show you how. Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to connect a custom domain to your Orderain store. First, go to Settings, then open the Domain section. Click on Connect Domain and copy the IP address shown here. Next, go to your DNS provider. This could be your domain registrar or hosting provider. Check your DNS records and make sure there are no existing A records already set for the domain. If you find any, remove them first. Now add 2 new A records. For the first record, paste the IP address you copied and set the host to @ or leave it blank depending on your DNS provider. Then save it. Create a second A record with the same IP address, but this time set the host to www and save again. Once that's done, come back to Orderain, enter your domain name. For example, spoodle.store, and click Proceed. The connection process usually takes about a minute. After it completes, open your domain in a new tab and you should see your store live on your custom domain. That's it, all set. And with that, you've seen the full process, from scratch to launching your AI-powered e-commerce store in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with your friends and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.